rides in the Baby Green's first trip for Optimus Prime and Lauren Apple.
The other horse from the barn is Magnum Opus.
Yeah.
Second trip in the short stirrup hunters for $7.85. Tristan Sizamaston and Adair Taylor.
You want to see her schooling?
She's not schooling. She's showing.
I'm talking about Sarah on the other ring.
Oh.
You got her a video?